Hi students, I am Praveen Sebastian Paul. In this lecture, we are discussing the Agile model of Sdlc model. The Agile software development model is the most popular model we used today. The traditional software development models follow either sequential waterfall model or iterative spiral models. Such software models cannot be efficiently adapted to complex software development projects that have continuous and multiple changes. Therefore, the Agile software development model was developed. This model responds to changes quickly and smoothly. The control mechanism used in Agile is the feedback from the customer or the people. The feedback helps to break work into small pieces, which is tested and further refined with the user inputs. The Agile Sdlc model is a combination of iterative and incremental process model which focus on process adaptability and customer satisfaction by rapid delivery of this working software product. Agile methods break the product into small incremental builds. These builds are provided in iterations. Each iteration typically lasts from about 1 to 3 weeks. Every iteration involves cross-functional team work simultaneously on various areas like planning, requirement analysis, design, coding, unit testing, and acceptance testing. At the end of each iteration, a working product is displayed to the customer and important stakeholders, and the feedbacks are collected from these persons. An Agile model believes that every project needs to be handled differently and existing methods need to be tailored to the best suit for the project requirement. In Agile model, the tasks are divided into time boxes to deliver specific features for a release of the product. The iterative approach is taken and a working software build is delivered after each iteration. Each build is incremental in terms of features. The final build holds all feature requirements by the customer. Thus, we can tell that the following are the Agile Manifesto principles. Those principles are individuals and interactions. In Agile development, self-organization and motivation are important, as are interaction like co-location and pair programming. Second one is working software. The demo working software is considered the best means of communication with the customer to understand their requirement instead of just defining or depending on documentations. Third one is customer collaboration. As the requirement cannot be gathered completely in the beginning of the project due to various factors, continuous customer interaction is very important to get proper product requirements. And the final one is it responds to change. Agile development is focused on quick response to change and continuous development of the product. So when we come to the advantages of this model, it ensures customer satisfaction with a rapid and continuous development of deliverable product. The continuous interaction between the customer and developer as well as the tester makes it a flexible model. And the Agile model, we can develop a working software quickly and adapt the change requirement regularly based on customer feedbacks. When we come to the disadvantages, this model is difficult to assess the effort required at the beginning of the life cycle for large and complex software development cases, as well as due to the continuous interaction with the customer, the project can go off track if the customer is not clear about the goals what he needs. So these are the major advantage and disadvantage of this model. So as we discussed, the Agile Sdlc model is a combination of iterative and interactional process model which focus on process adaptability and customer satisfaction by rapid delivery of working software product. The Agile model breaks the product into small incremental builds, and these builds are provided in each iterations. every iterations involve a cross-functional team working simultaneously on areas like planning, requirement analysis, design, coding, unit testing, as well as acceptance testing. And at the end of each iteration, a working product is displayed to the customer and important feedbacks are collected back, and based on this feedback the changes are made again in the second or the next iteration, and this process continues until the final product is delivered. So my dear students, kindly go through these assignment questions. The questions are: write in detail about Agile model. Second one, what are the Agile Manifesto principles? And third one, compare the advantages and disadvantages of Agile model. So dear students, in the upcoming lecture we will discuss the spiral model of Sdlc. See you soon. Until then, goodbye. Thank you and all the best.